Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the optimum position of the ropes during setup. Inside the simple cardboard box you receive when you purchase the Grandma's Miracle by Chen and TCC, you will find the tutorial link conveniently located on the underside of the lid. And here are the 2 ropes and the 3 beads needed to perform the effect. You thread the 2 ropes through the 3 transparent beads, creating a necklace-like structure. In this position, it might look like something else. So depending on your stage character and if your audiences are primarily adults, you might get a chance to play on this and insert some jokes. You then tie the ropes on the back of the spectator's hand, and when the ropes are pulled, the ropes seemingly penetrate through them, leaving the beads magically in the spectator's hands. My first encounter with effects of this sort is an effect called the magic washing line, where several silk handkerchiefs are tied onto 2 ropes, then the handkerchiefs magically pop off. There's also a rope through body effect that uses the same principle. In my opinion, the transparent acrylic beads and the soft furry ropes used for the TCC version of the Grandma's Miracle make it more deceptive. The transparent beads allow the spectators to see the rope being threaded through, making it more convincing. The beads are completely ungimmicked, and the ropes can be lightly tugged on by the spectators. The tutorial for Grandma's Miracle are in English. It is short and straightforward, with a runtime of about 7 minutes. It just shows you how the effect works. The effect does require a setup, but it is done during part of the routine itself, making it almost impromptu. With a little practice, you'll find that the setup becomes easy and seamless. Here's a handy tip. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the optimum position of the ropes during setup, and they will always line up perfectly when you give them a tug. When threading the rope through the beads, one tip of the rope goes in first, followed by the other. This is an astonishing effect, but like most magic effects, finding a good presentation to accompany the Grandma's Miracle will elevate it and make it more magical. The Grandma's Miracle retails for $30 on tccmagic.com, but I also saw a video that it is also now available on alakazam.uk, so magicians in the UK and Europe can get it from there as well. The Grandma's Miracle is suitable for beginners and experienced magicians alike. It is simple yet gets great reactions. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. As of filming this video, the channel is now at 750 subscribers. Thank you very much, and we are 3/4 of the way to 1000 subscribers. If you enjoy these videos and have a passion for magic, please consider subscribing and check out the other review videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.